Okay, I want to say hello and thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video was to show you how to increase the value of your company. I wanted to go over three key factors that you need to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure, therefore increasing your value. You need content, backlinks, and citations within your business website. Now, understand every time you type something into here, these are considered keywords and Google uses these keywords to look for websites that best fit the search. This is called search engine optimization. Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to these keywords. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content, and that is how you establish a rank structure. Now, backlinks is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement of your website from another website. And Google uses that to build trust in your business. So, for example, here I typed in tree service, Pennsauken, New Jersey. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. And I see that you're right here in the maps. That's excellent. Map section here. A lot of exposure comes from this. Citations and Google Business Profile play a big role in this. Citations are name, address, and phone number connected to your Google Business Profile as it would appear. Citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. And a lot of people search within the maps for something near me, restaurant near me, tree service near me, and the map shows the area of coverage, and that could be close to that person who is looking for that particular service in that area. Once Google sees your business being referenced more often than your competitors, the more likely you are to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure on the first page of Google. Now, everything underneath the map is considered organic ranking. Again, like I said, aside from Yelp or Angie or Home Advisor. Let's see. So now what I did do was type in the tree service. Here is your website. You're in the map, but you're not organically ranked underneath the map. I wanted to show you a competitor and how that works. Here we have New Jersey Tree Removal Service, Big Timber Trees. Here's their website and the tool that I have to use to see what's going on behind closed doors and how this works. This tool is called Ahrefs. And like I said, content, backlinks, and citations. Now with backlinks, backlink is where one website links to another or endorses you from another website. Not all backlinks are created equal. You want to have a strong domain rank and a fair amount of traffic running through that. And this will create endorsement and trust within your business through Google because the backlinks are referring to you. Also, you want to have keywords. Keywords is what is going to help Google recognize the content of your website. And again, that is what's being searched, tree service. In the keywords, these are the amount of times per month these words are searched. So the volume per month. So 400 people are looking for big timber tree service. Timber tree service 1,000 times. Big timber 38,000 times. White horse tree service, I suppose. Tree service Cherry Hill, New Jersey 70 times a month. Emergency tree removal, New Jersey 50 times. Tree removal Princeton, New Jersey 150 times. How does stump grinders work? 350 times. Timber trees 500 times. Cut and go tree service 100 times. All of these are people looking for services within the area, and these keywords being in his website helps Google establish him as an authority or a referencing business for what's being searched and what's looked for. There's a lot of traffic that can come from this. There's a lot of exposure that can go to your website to help you generate more leads and more sales and more customers. He's getting 96 views a month, roughly, from these 536 keywords that he has on his website, and that is what's helping him to rank on the first page of Google. When we take a look at your website through the same tool that I have, we only have 8 backlinks and 4 domains that you are referenced to, and there are no particular keywords and no traffic coming from that. So to generate yourself some more exposure aside from being here up in the map area, you could do some content and some rework on your website and get yourself exposed organically, ranking on the first page and generating that many more leads to have your business recognized more by Google. When you combine these things together, when you've got the right content and the right backlinks, the right keywords, and Google can start to see that you are endorsed by others and you are a trusted domain and you have what is needed through the keyword research, you will quickly start to outrank your competitors. You will position yourself into the first page of Google, and you can really start to see the value of your business start to grow from there. With that being said, I hope that you can appreciate or a little bit of a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to your company. If you find yourself wanting more information, I could do some research and find out what exactly would be realistic for your business and your goals. And with that being said, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this today. And I hope that you have a good day and a better understanding. Thank you.